যোৱা 20 আৰু 21 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীত হৰিদ্বাৰৰ উত্তৰাখণ্ড সংস্কৃত বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ উদ্যোগত আৰু ভাৰতীয় যোগ সন্মিলন নতুন দিল্লীৰ সহযোগত ৭ম আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় যোগ বিষয়ক এখন আলোচনাচক্ৰ অনুষ্ঠিত হৈ যায়। দেশ-বিদেশৰ বহুতো বিশেষজ্ঞই অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰা আলোচনাচক্ৰখনত অসমৰ মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ যোগ বিজ্ঞান বিভাগৰ গৱেষক ছাত্ৰী মাধন বৰাই গৱেষণা পত্ৰ পাঠ কৰি ভূয়সী প্ৰশংসা লাভ কৰে। উল্লেখযোগ্য যে প্ৰতি বছৰ অনুষ্ঠিত হৈ অহা আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পৰ্যায়ৰ উক্ত আলোচনাচক্ৰখনত গৱেষণা পত্ৰ পাঠ কৰা মাধন বৰাই হৈছে অসমৰ প্ৰথমগৰাকী ব্যক্তি। মাধন বৰাই যোৱা বছৰ তেখেতৰ গৱেষণা পত্ৰ পাঠ কৰিছিল। মাধন বৰাই পাঠ কৰা তেখেতৰ গৱেষণাৰ এইবাৰৰ বিষয়বস্তু আছিল দ্য ৰোল অৱ অষ্টাংগা যোগা ইন মেনেজমেণ্ট অৱ চাইক'লজিকেল প্ৰব্লেমছ, মানসিক ৰোগৰ চিকিৎসাত অষ্টাংগ ৰোগৰ ভূমিকা। গৱেষণাৰ বিষয় আৰু তাৰ তাত্ত্বিক বিশ্লেষণে বিশেষজ্ঞসকলৰ মাজত বিশেষ সমাদৰ লাভ কৰে আৰু তেখেতক উষ্ম আদৰণি জনায়।
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected all the dignitaries present at the conference, all the teachers, research scholars, and all the students coming from all the corners of India. My name is Madhan Bora. I have come from Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev Vishwavidyalaya, Guwahati, Assam. I have prepared a research paper, The Role of Ashtanga Yoga in the Management of Psychological Problems. I have tried if some good I have done can refer to me. Actually, yoga is a divine souvenir, revealing the ancient sages, and so that every mankind would have the opportunity to realize his celestial natures. When the light of the moon reflects on the sea, water on the sea, sometimes it will be blurred or broken by waves. Like it will, our Atma, the true self, also blurred or broken by our mental waves also. And this is only through yoga we can overcome it. Yoga has been being practiced from the immemorial time, but the credit goes to says Patanjali because he codified and systematized all the yoga and keeping the nectar of yoga in the form of the sutras in a jar, and that is known as the Yoga Sutras. He revised in his second chapter Ashtanga Yoga, Yom, Niyam, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhis. And this is not only control our mind, but also develop us all-round developments such as the physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, social, all the things. And Ashtanga Yoga integrated us to live in a society to develop ourselves also. So before how to Ashtanga Yoga plays an important role in the psychological disorders, we have to know what is the psychological disorders. Social unrest and stress-related disorders, known as the psychological disorders, have been increasing day by day. And these psychological disorders are related to actually the emotions, its own pattern of thinkings, own behavior. And this is very deviant, dysfunctional, and distressful. And such type of psychological disorders are such as anxiety, stress, phobic disorder, etc. And how this Ashtanga Yoga, basically emotional conflict, we can overcome by this Ashtanga Yoga, and conscious conflict we can overcome by Yom and Niyam, subconscious conflict we can overcome by Asana and Pranayama, and unconscious conflict we can overcome by Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan, and then we get the liberation samadhis. That Yom is nothing but we can maintain, we can become a social disciplined persons by Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahma, Satya, and Aparikriha. And by Niyam, Shashtantu, Satapa, Satya, Ishtar, Panidhani. By practicing these things, we can maintain a self-disciplined persons. By doing Yom and Niyam, we can develop our mind also, we can develop our psychological foundation also. And what Asana and Pranayama doing, Asana is actually influence our parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system and thereby tone up our autonomic nervous systems also. And thereby when the asanas reflects the alignments of our body, it reflects the psychology of our body. Because our body language, our speech, our actions all depends upon our asanas. It depends on the asana. When we are doing asana perfectly, then we can do psychological development and we can make our body language perfect. And our body language reflects our psychological mind also. And the pranayama of Ashtanga yoga regulates the bioenergy through the breathing process. When we regulate, when we can gain by pranayams the proper oxygen and we can give oxygen from top to toe in the whole body, it stimulates our whole body and we can develop psychologically also. And through the Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi, Pratyahara actually not only the Antaranga Yoga, it is the gateway of the Antaranga Yoga. Through Pratyahara, we can develop our senses. And when we practice Pratyahara from the early age, we can not only overcome external senses but as well as our internal senses also, and we can develop psychologically also. And so Dharana actually is the first thing. Actually, Dharana is the Dharana is the first stage of Dhyana, and after when we practice Dharana, we can lead to the Dhyana, and Dhyan is combinations of the psychological and chronological manifestations. And in conclusion, we can come to know that Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga not only develops our mind, it stages, it root cause in the surface level, but also in the subtle levels also. And Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, not only it is nothing but the holistic approach to mental purifications, mental therapy, and the mental health. Thank you very much.
অসম দাপোনৰ তৰফৰ পৰা মাধন বৰাক আমি শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিলোঁ। আমাক পুনৰ লগ পাবলৈ অসম দাপোন ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰক আৰু কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো বজাওক।